Walking in on Big Lake, trying to get some morning bite. I'm all alone, don't have a tent, and I'm just walking, so I'll be doing some hole hopping. See if we can find some fish. Someone's drove out here since it snowed last night. Multiple cars have been out here since it snowed. There's a little bit of overflow, you just gotta look out for it. See, like right there's overflow, but it's solid. All right, I'm out on Big Lake this morning. Solo trip, walking out because the ice is a little sketchy with a lot of overflow on the roads as of 2 days ago, but I'm out here now. Cars on the road. No overflow on North Shore right now that I found. So, got like 5 hours to fish. Let's see what I can do. I'll be back when I'm all set up in a spot.
I think tearing the ACL striking is a little more of a fluke. I think you're much more likely to do it in grappling. So going through the ACL experience didn't make me want to
I missed another baby one. I got one on. Baits, pink and chartreuse, or I've been calling it orange and yellow, but it's just smashing trout, pike, burbot. They all like it. Second pike of the day. Go, boy. Little big pike, but it's a fish. No skunk. Yeah. Little hammer handle. On my HOA baits. Oh, come on. I don't want to have to get a new one. Yeah. I just bonked this pike. It spit out a sculpin. Bet that's some good bait. Yeah. No skunk today. This is my my little pike hump. Always produces. Hopefully the big mama comes through. Pike number 3. HOA baits. That Evo bug, man. They're only babies, but 3 of them on the ice. That'll help save some salmon smelt. If anybody's interested, I get all my Hooked on Alaska from B&J Sporting Goods in Anchorage, Alaska. They keep stocked up on all the good colors and sizes. That first one I showed off would be the one I caught all my pike on, the orange and yellow Evo bug. I've also been doing good on the orange and yellow dragonfly larva. Pink and white Evo bugs are always good. Chartreuse. I've caught a fish on almost all of these colors. These LED lights I also use above my jig about 16 to 18 inches above. Green works the best. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was a short video. I didn't have much footage as I only caught 3 small pike on this day, but had a lot of fun, didn't get skunked, and got out and did some fishing. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day, and thanks for watching Fishing with Charles, and fish on. If you like, please subscribe.